Hey guys, here I come with the new video of Lords Mobile this week strategy, and as you have seen, that's the strategy, and let's do some counter. And I should apologize to you all because last week I didn't upload any video because I was in a holiday actually. So please excuse me and. Anyhow, I just like to mention you all if you need any suggestion, any guide, or anything, any help regarding this collision. If you see I'm not posting the video earlier in the week, you can contact me directly by email in my ID. I will show you my ID. One second. Okay, let's do some counter. Let me guide you this. In this week, the triple archer, that is Crow, Trickster, and Tracker. Uh, Three of them have star in their head, so it's pretty much easy to counter many P2P P2P formats because Tri Archer will work for almost all P2P. Anyhow, let me show you some guides. As you are seeing, I just beat two formats, and there's lots of more. This also common P2P, and I'm just using Tri-Archer format with child. So it's let let me show you what's happening. Whatever it is, golden or whatever you are using, just confirmly use it. No worry, it will give you the victory if you use Tri-Archer. And in the meantime, let me tell you my ID. That is I am Badman YT or Holy Badman YT, or you can mail my another ID, that is Badman Gaming. So in game you just need to mail me. I'll definitely reply you if I stuck anywhere, if I do any delay in publishing the video. So going to the next, this opponent was pretty much easier. Its opponent does not have multiple S tier hero, only Rose, so it's pretty much surely you can defeat this kind of opponent with Tri-Archer format. Just you need to use a good S tier hero, like I am using Soul Forger. It is very good, and it will definitely help you in defense as well. Now this is done. Going to the next. Again I'm using Soul Forger against this format. Opponent has two healer, one P2P, one in a F2P, and that is Lord Weaver and Panorama. Anyhow, and basically this Tri-Archer formats, what they do, they will counter the primary S tier hero or main S tier hero of the opponent first, one by one. So it's pretty much if you don't have S tier hero in front, your archer will not work. So that's the reason Tri-Archer format is very much strong to use in counter, and it's petty table out there in this opponent this time. So I'm using the old format, that is Rose, Demon, Incinerator, Tracker and Crow. This is one of my favorite format against Petty Devil. I repeatedly mention in every video, and let me show you once again. It will definitely counter this. Especially when you have like star in Crow or Tracker, you will definitely get it. This is a continuous video. I just upload it. So this is a difficult one. So I'm using Scarlet in this time, and basic reason of using Scarlet, opponent having some um, healer as well, and I can counter it with Tri Archer, but it's having Panorama, so I thought that it can be done by this format. So I just tried randomly, and as you're seeing, it's also giving the victory no matter what. Anyhow, going to the next, and this time it's a F2P format, tri-archer format, but how I am countering, just I like to share with you guys, because many people will think if like me, opponent also having tri-archer, then what you should do. So some videos I'll guide you to counter this tri-archer format as well, so that you can go upwards, because many people also use tri-archer format, and they are using definitely. So this kind of strategy you can use, like one snow or one incinerator you need to just replace, um, instead of better pro, you can replace it. And this is also tri-archer format in opponent, but as it's not night, I mean dark knight, so I'm just using dark knight to counter it, because in case of child, dark knight will counter it. Maybe it will die first time, but again it will alive. So there is a plus point to do the counter with dark knight, because it comes up alive, and again it has a second chance. Anyhow, now going to the next is, I'm using the same, and the opponent having golden heroes. I didn't got the time to record that, but let me share you. That was Rose, Shade, Witch Doll, Lord Weaver, and Crow, and all of them are gold in this opponent. But anyhow, I'm using Tri Archer, so it will definitely give me the victory, as you have seen. Now going forward to next. Okay, this is also a I mean F2P hero format in opponent, and its demon is there with tri-archer format, so it will be easier if you use child or soul forger. Don't try to use dark knight in this case if you see this kind of opponent, because sometimes it fails, sometimes it gives you win. There is a glitch, you can say. Anyhow, it's done. Now going to the next. Again, it's a F2P hero, but I'm using Tri Archer. Just like to show you guys, this week is full of try. I mean, you can stay in top 50 with Tri Archer format. That I can say. So don't be panic. Just need to experience it. Just use Tri Archer. It's the best format to counter by F2P hero always, because many format, I mean many times, you see in the tri-archer format, always click it. I mean it it is useful for every strategy, most of the strategy you can say. not every, but most of the weekly strategy supports the triarcher format. So now again I'm using triarcher, you're seeing, and this time opponent was having Boomister. It's a typical hero, but yep, it will give me victory. It's almost done. Now going to the next. This one a common P2P hero format, and I'm using Soul Forger with Tri-Archer format. The reason behind using the Soul Forger, Soul Forger is hard to counter, so it will be definitely tough to counter. So I'm just using this Soul Forger because in between the opponent will try to counter Soul Forger, the Trio Archer will do their part because its HP is very high as per me. Now this is also the same type of format, and I'm using a different P2P format as you are seeing. I'm just using four uh, infantry or STR type heroes, that is Rose, Scarlet, Shade, Demon, and Archer, that is Tracker, and definitely it's also a useful counter sometimes. So I just tried and see, I get the conclusion that it's effective in this week. So I like to just share you, if you fail in every kind of situation, you can try this kind of counter format. And now going to the next, and again I'm like, I just using the same type of format, like 4 infantry. It's actually a good type, I mean, not a good type, but sometimes in some strategy it works very well, though you can counter it. Try archer format if you see anyone using this in defense, but surely it can be handy to use as a counter, especially this kind of week when you will see like all physical heroes having star in their head. So going to the next. Oh, I'm sorry, it's almost finished. So this heroes I did use to counter in the model. I just like to share the pictures as you're seeing all over, like these heroes is for counter. And for defense you can try this Tri-Archer format with Knight, Child, or Soul Forger. This is for defense, okay? And this format also you can use. You can replace with Scarlet. Thank you for watching. See you next week.